Yeah. The facts. Bad chicks like bad things. Bad chicks like big rings. Bad chicks like no strings, cause they don't wanna be attached to anything. Yeah. Bad chicks are like a riddle. Man, I'm caught up in the middle. I think she's giving me a signal, looking superficial with her chest artificial. Yeah, I'm feeling like the shit-o. I've been making music since I was a little kiddo. Never gonna stop, no, I'm never gonna quit, oh. I hit him with the remix, oh.
And that's all I need, yeah, that's all I need. Baby, I got me, only friends I need. Playing on my team is someone like feels like I just took Molly. All I wanna do is turn you into a hobby. You always like that, I'm a little cocky. You always fight back like you wanna be Rocky. You always fight back like you wanna be a zombie. You kinda like crack, I'm addicted to your body.
Yeah, so she wanna play ball? Type of girl that'll make your skin crawl. I hit her with the Bombay, then we started feeling okay. Will Smith getting jiggy with it. I think I got a couple hickeys from it. I think she's waiting on the whiskey to hit. Just like a country song, it makes her feel risky with it. Couple drinks and my mind's clear. Look in her eyes and there's no fear. She's full of lies and a lot of beer. I'll let her leave with a souvenir.
And that's all I need, yeah, that's all I need. Baby, I got me, only friends I need. Playing on my team is someone like
yeah. The fact